Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this cool vocal effect inside of Pro Tools. This effect is mainly for the genre of melodic rap, so it's mainly for like the auto-tune and like the really deep, heavy reverbs. So if you're just doing like hip hop and stuff like that, maybe skip out on this effect. But if you like heavy effects on vocals, this is definitely the video for you. So this is a chorus effect that I do on the end of phrases, and it gives this shimmery effect to the end of phrases. I'm going to show you guys how I do it today. I'm also going to show you what it sounds like by playing you this song here that I have open in Pro Tools. And this is the plugin that we're using to make the effect happen. It's the Doubler 2 effect. And we have basically the factory settings pulled up here. And all we're doing is we're running some automation, and at the end of the phrases, we are giving it a chorus effect, and it gives it this like shimmery effect behind the reverb. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. I'm going to play the beginning of the song, and I'm just going to show you what the beginning sounds like with how pay attention to the end of the phrases, okay?
Hey, look what he's done. The man I live for, yeah, he still isn't done. He emptied my heart, then took all that hate, then filled it with love. Dirty son, stuck in the rain, covered in mud. Wash me up, been made clean, all cause the blood. Father, help me be obedient. I don't want no gifts that's not from you, those come expedient.
Do you see how at the end of the phrase, that's when the wave starts? So it's kind of like I'm making a wave. It comes up, and then it crashes down, and it comes up, and then it crashes down. So when you're doing these types of effects inside of Pro Tools, we all know that you create auxiliary sends, right? So I have these here, and normally these are all at unity gain 0, and that's where they sit. And then in here, you would come and you would push this up and get some reverb, some delay. We all know this, right? Instead, for this effect, on the chorus one, I have this one at 0 dB, and then down here on the chorus, this one was sitting at 0. And by doing that, I'm getting both of the tracks and the ad-libs and everything all at once. And depending on how your routing is, you don't even really need to do it like this, but I just like to do it this way. And so basically what I'm doing is I'm automating this whole lane for the chorus. So anything that has the chorus on it, it's gonna get that automation. So this background chorus right here, this chorus right here, all three buses can get the exact same automation. I don't have to run it multiple times. So that is why I do it like that. And so what we're going to do is we are going to clear this out, and we're going to run it again. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, right? So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're not going to want to start your song like way out here with the cursors, right? So hit enter on your keypad and go to the beginning of the song. Then you're going to hit Command and the plus sign. It's the key next to your backspace. You're going to open this window up right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to this auto. Right under auto, you're going to see auto read. You're going to change this to touch. This is the one I like to use. If you want to use the other ones, you can, but I don't really know too much about them. I know about auto touch. And then what we're going to do is when you play the song, hit spacebar, you're going to play the song. And now every time you move that fader, that's going to be recorded, and you're going to be able to hear it. So let's go ahead and play it. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing.
Hey, look what he's done. The man I live for, yeah, he still isn't done. He emptied my heart, then took all that hate, then filled it with love. Dirty son, stuck in the rain, covered in mud. Wash me up, been made clean, all cause the blood. Father, help me be obedient. I don't want no gifts that's not from you, those come expedient. All that hell that I went through, yeah, you know that I needed it. Just like Joseph gave me dreams, I know you'll make it happen.
When we hit command again and the plus, we're going to go back to this window, and you'll see that we made some automation here. So now we can go from touch, we can put that back on read. This is the same button here. So if I go back to this window, this is the same button right here. So it's two different places. We play it back, and we're going to hear that automation.
Hey, look what he's done. The man I live for, yeah, he still isn't done. He emptied my heart, then took all that hate, then filled it with love. Dirty son.
Do you hear how incredible that sounds? I love using this effect on like melodic songs, anything where the person's kind of like singing a bit, and it's really like it just gives it such a crazy sound. I really love it. So again, this is the settings for the plugin that I'm using right here, and I just showed you exactly what to do. This is not going to fix your whole mix. This is just a little trick that you can do to a song to give it a nice little shimmer at the end of phrases. But I just wanted to come on here and show you how to do that, because I thought it was a cool trick, and I figured you guys would love this as well. You guys have been supporting me so much lately, so I figured anytime I can get a cool piece of information, I'm not gatekeeping nothing, I'm sharing it. I gotta go. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys want to check out my Pro Tools templates, you can get them at mixedbyeddieofficial.com. And I will see you guys for the next video.